end of the day, you have to know if you want the money, yes or no. We can't know if you want the money for you. So you have to decide if you want the money. You want the money, yes or no. It's that simple. You want the money? Okay. Then keep what? About is sources. Where can you find a scholarship in Jamaica? And the answer is literally everywhere and anywhere. Number one, you can get scholarships from your MP or grants. Let me not say scholarship from MP because mostly grants. They probably give you $50,000 or $100,000 here and there. And they can get a little money from your MP. So don't be afraid to write the member of parliament in your community or the member of parliament in your region to ask for a little bit of money. People understand that people are willing to give you money to go to school. People have the money, just wait for one for ask them for the money. So ask and you shall receive. The words them can say is no. Them not gonna tell about your mother if they're not gonna give you. Them just gonna say no. That's the worst that they're gonna say. So don't be afraid to ask. Ask and it shall be given to you. I got $50,000 from my MP, and it was not my MP, I went to Digicel Technical High School. So the MP, Natalie Nita Edley, yeah, I think that's the MP at the time. Just for attending Digicel Technical High School. I think probably the school fall in her region and I ended up getting that scholarship. So I know for sure the MP have money I give out. So I got $50,000 and that's what I used to pay my first deposit for my dorm fee when I went to UWE. So MP is one. Also, I got a grant offer from SLB. So for my first year at university, I took student loans. So I'm telling you this. Do not make nobody tell you say, oh, you gotta pay student loan for till you're 40 or till you're 100 and them know people where I pay student loan till them dead. If you want to go to school, you don't have the money, take the student loan for the first year, work your butt off, study hard, and make sure you get a scholarship for your second or your third year. That's what I did. So student loan offered me a grant of $50,000 for my second year, but I couldn't accept it because I got a scholarship from somewhere else. So SLB does offer loans, but they offer grants if you are doing well academically as well. Next place, ministry. On the ministry's website, any ministry, Ministry of Agriculture, Ministry of Education, search for the ministry website, you'll probably find scholarships there. There's a program by the name of JAMVAT. I don't remember what the acronym stands for, but I was offered JAMVAT in my first year. But JAMVAT, what you have to do hours in order to get the money. I think at my time it was 200 hours. I think it was $80,000. So you have to decide if your 200 hours worth $80,000 or probably the money change because a long time that. So you have to decide if it's worth it for you and if you want to pursue the route there. But that's something else that you can do. And they make you work on campus. So you're not go out of your way to do the work. So you can look into that as well. Now, the most important one, last but not least, I'm going to be speaking about UWE because UWE is where I went. The most important one is the UWE Endowment Fund. That's where I got my big scholarship from. All right. So you're going to go on the website and you're going to look at everything that you qualify for. I think there's a, when I was doing it, you had to print the form and like fill in your top 10. I had a list of 20 because I flip over the page and I apply for everything I'm qualify for. So apply for everything that you qualify for. You're going to apply for everything that you're nearly qualified for as well. So some of them are going to ask if a GPA of 3.3, 3.2. If you have a 3.1, apply for it same way. Why? Because a lot of times nobody apply for these things. So then waste the money sit down, nobody apply for it. If nobody apply for it and you nearly qualify for it, they will give it to you. So apply for everything you see, everything you nearly qualify, and even if you think you're not gonna get it, still apply for it. And even if the money not big, apply for it. You want book grant for $5,000, Apply for the book rent $5,000. But I say, what $5,000 can do for me? Apply for it same way. So apply for everything you qualify for, everything you nearly almost qualify for as well. All right. So we talked about the sources. Fix on myself. So we talked about the sources and we talked a little bit about application. So let's go deeper into application. How you going to structure your application. Do not lie on the application. Do not tell a lie. I know people that lie and then people them dig up the information and not no go so and them not get it. Do not lie on the application. Tell the truth. You're already poor. That's why you apply for it. You don't even tell a lie about the poorness. Just tell the truth. So be truthful on your application. Some persons may ask you to write an essay. If you need help with the essay, ask persons that have gone through it or look up, research how to write an essay and make sure you write the application properly. Some scholarships come with a lot of work. You have to do essay, you have to do this, you have to do that, you have to print this and whatever. Do the work. It's going to take you a couple of days. It's going to take you a couple of days and people are going to pay for your scholarship for 2-3 years for you. So what is a couple of days? If you take your time and do the application properly. If they ask for an essay, write the essay. Don't be lazy. Write the essay. If they ask for a paragraph, write the paragraph. And do not lie. And you don't have to exaggerate the circumstances either. Because if you're never poor, you wouldn't apply. So them already know say you're poor. So you don't have to stretch out the poorness so you don't eat from when. Just be honest, be truthful, and people will see in the truth. So that's the application. That's my advice for the application. Be truthful. If you need help, ask for help. When I was doing mine, a senior at Taylor Hall helped me to fill out mine. Big up Woody for that. She did help me to fill it out and get me into the application. Have good to get into the spaces, you know. So make them help you fill out the application until you get into the interview. And that's what we're going to talk about next. What you need to do to excel in the interview. So you made it past the application and they call you and they say, come to the interview. Okay, what's the next step? When you go to people in interview, dress professional. Dress in a nice little top and a pants. Dress professional. Do not dress in a no. Come on. Don't dress casual. Dress business professional. Make people know say you come for business. Right? When you get to the interview, they're gonna ask you like a basic job interview questions, your name, your aspiration, all those other things. And you are gonna answer them confidently. Make sure you're well spoken. Answer confidently. Another thing. Just like when you never tell a lie about the application, do not go in an interview go tell a lie either. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. I don't understand why you find it hard to tell the truth. Tell the truth in the interview. Right? When I went to do my interview, I think there are other persons there. And I went in and I said, Jesus Christ. Then this girl go for me, this girl, and I probably get the money already. Because I think it was one scholarship that was being awarded. I'm going to go in. And I told the truth. I'm going to tell my life story. Alright. You see the thing is with interviews, one of the things that people want, when I tell people what they want to hear. Oh, I'm poor and I'm a mother of 10 pitney and just tell the truth. Because the people, alright, you go in there go say, oh, my mother have 10 pitney. And the people them go dig up information before them give you the money. And they find out say you and your mother have. I ain't about get it. I ain't gonna get it anyway because I alone apply. So what you tell life for? Tell the truth. Tell them about your financial circumstances. Tell them the impact when the money can make on your life. And then you're gonna tell them that you're gonna return their investment. So you're gonna begin by telling them your financial constraints, why you need the money. Okay? When you're gonna tell them if you get the money, the impact the money will have on your life. You know, I'll be able to do this, I'll be able to do that. And then you're gonna tell them when you get the money, you are very sure that you will not waste the money. Because a lot of persons get scholarship and then they have to take the scholarship back because their GPA, they get a scholarship with a GPA at 3 point whatever, and by next semester they're off the scholarship. I know people personally where get them scholarship revoked because they did not keep up with the grades. So they want to know your financial constraints, what the scholarship is going to do for you, and how you are gonna return on their investment. The biggest thing for them, I think, is the return on the investment. All right, so we'll go through sources, application, interview. What's next? Maintaining the scholarship. What are you gonna do to maintain scholarship? Yeah, go be smart. Yeah, go do your work. Yeah, go do your coursework. You're not gonna go into every Thursday. You gotta make sure you pass everything. Most scholarships are offered at year 2 because them already say you're bright from year 1. That is why them give you a year 2. Them say you can angle yourself, you angle university. So why the people must get a scholarship with a 3.3 GPA and you gonna get a 2.5 the next semester? The people are gonna take it back. So make sure you maintain a scholarship. Do your work. Remember, say people have money and your mother money, you know. The people have money. And somebody else, you know what I tell myself? When I do my degree with the scholarship, somebody else gonna get the money. So nobody waste people their money. Because the people them cannot get back the money from you when you take the money and go fail the course. So what me tell myself and motivate myself is as somebody money and somebody else gonna get it. Think about that. So make sure you keep your grades up. Go to your office hours, go to your tutorials, keep your grades up, make your people and pay. When you keep your grades up, you and them not have no problem. Some scholarships come with internship. Mine came with an internship. And I chose to do it on the 3rd year, I think. They offered 2-year internship, and I think I did 1 of the year internship. That was a mistake on my part. If they offer you an internship from whatever year you get it, go ahead and do the internship. It's very beneficial, and you have some experience when you leave UE. When you leave school, you have some experience under your belt because you went and did the internship. So by the time you graduate, you have 2-year internship in your field. So go ahead and take the internship for maintaining scholarship. When you go to people in the workplace for the internship, be respectful, be mindful that these people are paying your school fee. And that's all I have to say. And make sure you do your work. And if the scholarship asks you for voluntary hours, just go to the voluntary hour them. It's literally they must spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on you. You can do a look at voluntary hours on a Saturday. Come on, it's not hard. So those are the things you need to do. That's maintenance. Some scholarships come with what are called conditions. My scholarship came with a condition. So some scholarships come with bonds. You have to work in a country a particular amount of years after you finish school and all of that. Just sign up and do it. Because the time will run off anyways. No, I'm not born to no country. Born to the country. Because you never go anywhere anyways. So born to the country. Sign it and born to the... Oh, then want me for born for 2 years and... Sign it and ban it. And if you don't want to ban and you sign it and you didn't do it, you can always pay back people the money because you will be in a position to pay back the money because you get a degree and you're debt free. So when you start work, you can pay back if you want to, if you don't want to ban. So just do the conditions, what them ask you to do, maintain a scholarship, and you're going to leave school debt free. I didn't leave school debt free because, as I said before, I did take SLB in the first year, so I had to pay it off when I finish. So I'm gonna pay my SLB already. I finished school 2021 and I paid off my student loan in 2022. I borrowed I think 300,000 at the time, and when I finished pay it off, it was 360 something thousand. I end up pay off. You know, one thing when I don't tell about SLB, the interest start grow from the month after you take it. So if you take it August 2018, the interest start grow September 2018. Not when I graduate, the interest start grow the month after you take it, not after you graduate. Because women that take SLB, you know, me the things that after you graduate, the interest start grow. The interest start grow the month after. So make sure you know that. So when you left school, sign up your payment plan, or you do your lump sum payment them, and do what you have to do, and make sure the debt cover, because that it grow fast, you know. Because me borrow, I think 300,000. I borrowed 300,000 2018. I left school 2021. When I done pay time, I pay 360 something thousand for 1 year. So just imagine if I take it for 3 years, all the money I got high. But I hope you learned something in the video today. I hope by the time you finish watching this video, you know also where to find the scholarships, or to apply for the scholarship. You know when you're gonna interview, you never tell a lie, tell the truth, or to maintain a scholarship and abide by the conditions. If you have any other questions, you are free to comment and let me know. But thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And if it helped you, share the video to somebody else. Or if you know somebody in university that's going through it right now, you can share the video to them also. I hope more people to come back a couple months from now and say, yeah girl, I do what you say, I'm gonna get a scholarship for true. Remember, I know there are thousands of scholarships that go unclaimed every year because simply the fact that nobody's not applying for them. So just apply for them. The worst people I'm gonna tell you is no. Them not go run a guy yard and some move from Mr. Dirty Girl guy yard. So just apply for everything. Apply. The worst they can say is no. And pray about it. Tell the truth. Maintain a scholarship and you're good to go. Thank you for watching the video. If it helped you, you can like it, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you in the next one. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer. Thank you.